some people are sick and all they have got to eat nothing but the dust. So that is the reason I basically came here. I told basically the contractor. That's the reason I called the MD also. I told the contractor basically close the barricade the full place itself.
असे खूपदा म्हणतात की कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ऐकना म्हणतात कोणाचेच आपल्याला जाय ते करता म्हणतात
कोणी सांगलं हे
म्हणतात लोक म्हणतात की कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ऐकना की
कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ऐकून
इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिना
कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर will as per the plans contractor has got to do his work. Now some people may be saying okay do like everyone basically becomes engineers here. So that is the problem. So contractor is going to do his job as it's been directed to him.
Babush sir, a lot of shops are there here and they are suffering. What do you like to say, sir?
I know, but you just got to bear. You just see the road, how the road has come up that side. You little bit, see, there is a saying, no, if you want to see the rainbow, you got to bear with a little bit of rain. So just it is a question of some time. See, we have said 31st May is the deadline. So by 31st May, there should be no digging, nothing should be left incomplete.
Babush sir, are you happy with the smart city work?
No, as far as the work is concerned, work is going on in time, as per the schedule. That's what the MD has just told. So I have got no complaint as far as this, as long as our deadline is met. So we are looking only at the deadline.
What about
but that is the reason what they we don't. The problem is becoming because of this people who basically come in all of a sudden and creates a problem.
Babush sir,
Deadline?
what about the quality work?
31st म्हटलं तुमको दातले दिसे दिसता
31st May पासून जातले. Be optimistic.
Babush sir, what about the quality?
No, quality of the see as I told you, as it is prescribed by the distinct quality of the work is as far as roads I don't see any problem whatsoever.
ओके
Thank you sir.
सर तुम्ही अनेक म्हणले ते पॉलिसीचे बस स्टॉप जे मानल्या पळय तो
Yeah.
करप्शन हा म्हणून स्कॅम हा म्हणून
What is that?
बस स्टॉप जे मानल्या पळय
नाही बस स्टॉप आहे किती सांगलेले हां दॅट इज दिस बस स्टॉप विच एवर दे हॅव मेड आर नॉट प्रॅक्टिकल बेसिस ओके so that is the reason what I said the bus stops whatever the planning of the bus stop it is not I have written a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister to call for a meeting
ओके
okay to discuss this issue at the earliest so this issue will be discussed.